Hello everyone, let me show you another way you can find the area of any polygon in coordinate geometry called the Shoelace method. So here we're asked to find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are given. Before you start, make sure that these vertices are in order, either clockwise or counterclockwise. And how can we determine whether they are actually arranged in order? You can quickly sketch them. The first vertex here is 1, 2, right? 1, then 1, 2. You have a point here. Let's call it A. Then 5, 1. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. You have a point here. Let's call it B for the second one. Then C, that is 3, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's call it C. And lastly, negative 1, 6. Negative 1 is situated here. 6 supposed to be around here. So you can see that A, B, C, D, if you go counterclockwise, so they are arranged in order. Make sure that they are arranged in order. So because they are arranged in order, this is how you should do that. You can start from any vertex, either A, B, C, or D. So I would like to start from the vertex A, which has the coordinates 1, 2, 5, 1, that is B. C is 3, 5, negative 1, 6. Then make sure to end with the vertex you started with. We started with vertex this A, then make sure you write it down here. Then you cross and multiply. Remember your shoelace. 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1. 5 multiplied by 5 will give us 25. 3 multiplied by 6 will give us 18. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Then you add all of this together. 1 plus 25 is 26 plus 18 is 44 plus negative 2, that is 42, right? This is 42. You're done with this one. Then you cross like this again. You see 1 times 6 is 6. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. 3 times 1 is 3. Then 5 times 2 is 10. We are going to add as well. This and this will give us 1. Plus 3 will give us 4. 10, 14. So we have these two values and we are going to use them to find the area. So the area A is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by the absolute value of this minus this or this minus this. It doesn't matter. So let me take 42 minus 14. This is 1 over 2 multiplied by the absolute value of 28, which is still 28. And what is half of 28? Half of 28 is 14. All right, therefore, the area of this figure is 14. Yeah, units squared. So this is how to apply Shoelace method to find the area of any polygon, whether it is triangle, rectangle, hexagon, you understand, any polygon.